You all for joining the session. Today we are continuing the session of installing the Nexus Directory services on Amazon Linux 2 machine. Okay, so we need to create one Amazon Linux 2 machine to set up this environment. But again, so here to set up, so T3 micro only we need to create. Less than 4 GB, it is not possible to create it. Okay, again it will be chargeable. Okay, but this is a very lengthy lab for it to set up this environment. Carefully you can watch. Okay, are you okay to create, Gopi?
Yeah.
So let's launch a new instance and give the name Nexus AL2 Amazon Linux 2. Right, scroll down and you can select Amazon Linux. Then after free tab, that's okay, don't make any changes here. Scroll down, don't make any changes.
Okay.
Don't make any changes. If you want, we can go to the old AMI. That's your wish. Select a drop down list and you can select the old AMIs. Select that drop down list, whatever you selected. గోపి మీరు ఇందాక సెలెక్ట్ చేసిందే మళ్ళీ సెలెక్ట్ చేయండి. దాంట్లో ఓల్డ్ ఏఎంఐ ఉంటుంది, దాన్ని సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుందాం, సరేనా?
I didn't get you.
You're not getting my point?
Yeah. Then to
Oh.
say, yeah, okay.
So there
Yeah.
are two versions are there. Latest version of Amazon Linux and the older version of Amazon Linux. You keep on doing ups and downs your screen. That's why you get confusing. Don't make ups and downs. Better you have to minimize your the complete the size of your zoom. Okay, make it 80% of your zoom in the browser. Go to the right top corner and the three dots and make it 80% of your screen. Perfect, perfect. So now in the AMI Amazon machine image, click on the drop down list. You'll get a lot of list will be there. Okay, here you will get a Amazon Linux kernel 5.10 is there. You can select that next one. Amazon Linux 2 HVM kernel 5.10 is there. The next one, immediate one, you can select. Perfect. Now you can scroll down. Instance type is, you can make it as a T3 medium for 4 GB RAM. No, I think it's a 4 CPUs, 4 GB RAM, 2 CPUs. Okay, fine. And create a new key pair. And give the name Nexus-AL2 key pair.
Shall I
PPK
create?
directly you can create. And give the name of the key pair. And create a key pair. And use a default security group, and you can click launch an instance. Once instance is launched, so can you please connect the server with the putty by using the ppk file. And wait for 2 minutes, Gopi. Don't connect now. Wait for 2 minutes. Don't connect, please wait. Now you can please connect the server and refresh the console. and you can connect the server. Perfect. Now you can connect. Perfect. So guys, so now the server is ready. Now we can install the, okay, now we can install the Nexus software on this Linux machine. So you can follow the guidelines of the installation steps, okay, and complete the setup. Better parallelly you can anyhow you are getting this video, so you just follow. When you are following the video, better you have to make note down the steps, okay. So if anybody is interested, you can create a document, well and good, you can create and share with me, so everybody can uh, watch later. So first of all, whenever you want to download the software on the machine, so in Linux operating system, okay, there's a root folder is there. In the root folder, there are multiple directories are available. Okay. There's a main directory we called as OPT directory will be there. That directory we can use for download any softwares and we can install. After install, we can remove the software package from the list. Okay, OPT drive will be there. We need to navigate that location. So right now, which location you are currently located? Currently, you are located which location? So can you please type a PWD? And you are right now in the home/ec2 hyphen user is there. Now can do one thing, CD change directory space /opt, hit enter. opt/hit enter. Now you are moved to OPT directory. Okay. Now can type PWD. It will give you the complete path of the OPT directory in the Linux system. So directly in the root/OPT directory is there. Here you can download your files. Clear screen. Now you need to download the file. So from the website, go to website, Nexus downloads, go to website, google.com, Nexus downloads, just type Nexus downloads and hit enter, and you will get a sonotype website will be there. You can go to the website and click on downloads. Accept cookies, not a problem. So here the Unix archive file is there. Right click on the file, copy link address, Now can go back to the PuTTY terminal, type wget. Wget command is to download the file into the DAT. Please wait, before you download, can you please remove that? Type ll, any data is available. ll means long list, hit enter. What are the data is that? Total 0 directories. Okay, total 0 directories, and so some information is available, AWS and RH. These are the system related files. Okay, now can type wget space and give the web address and hit enter. So now the files are downloading on this location, successfully downloaded, and you will get a the below from the below there's a 4 lines. From the below, fourth line, HTTP request center awaiting response 200 OK is there. Can you please show that cursor? Yeah, so 200 means successfully connected. So that is a error code. 200 is a successful message. So now can type LL and hit enter. See, whatever the file, the Nexus 3.5601 unix.tar file is showing here. Type dir, type ls, type ls, not dir is a Windows command. So only these two files are there. So whatever the zip file is downloaded, the file is not showing here. May I know what is the reason?
Permission.
Permission? No, permission is not that. Okay. ls space minus h, you can type that. ls space minus h, you can type that. Enter. No. Okay. So probably it is in a secured mode, like a hiding. So don't worry. So we can unzip and we can find out it. So do one thing. Uh, we need to unzip the file. Tar. This is a tar file, right? The tar file. Type tar, tar, space hyphen xvf. Extract purpose we are using verbose. Okay. So then give space whatever the name is there in the successful message, that name you need to type. So you can type a ne and hit tab. No, first you have to type ne hit tab. Ne hit tab.
Yeah.
It is not
Nothing is
coming.
coming. Nothing is coming.
Nothing is there. So then you can copy and paste that name as it is.
Also.
Enter.
Okay.
So do one thing, sudo space su, enter. Now can type ll. Okay. Now can use a wget command and you can give the download option and you can download the file. One second. Enter. I think so now it is saved. Now can type ll.
Yes.
Yeah, now the file is saved. I think so permission issue. Okay. So we are logged in with a normal user. So now we are logged in with the administrator user, super user. Now we got it. Good. Now can extract the file. Copy. Clear screen. Okay. Give the command is tar space hyphen xvf.
One second, please.
Tar tar
Yes.
space hyphen xvf. Then you can give space. Then after that you can give ne hit tab. Automatically the zip file will be coming here. Hit tab. Yes. Now hit enter. See, all files are unzipping. That's a untarring. So now can clear screen. Clear screen. Now can type ll. So now additionally there's a one directory is created, Nexus, the second one, hyphen 3.56.0 hyphen 01. Yeah. So this is a directory is available. So In this directory only the complete information is available. So every time you are typing this 3.56 0.0, it's very difficult, right? So unnecessarily some typo error is getting. To avoid that, we can rename the folder. Okay, mv space, and you can copy the name Nexus hyphen 356. Yeah, you can copy the name. No. Once you're selected, automatically copy Gopi. Okay, you don't want to do Control C and all. Not required.
Okay.
Okay. And give space, type Nexus. Type Nexus. Enter. Now it is changed. Type LL. Now type LL. See, the second folder name is changed to Nexus. Okay. Second folder. Second folder name is changed to Nexus. Is it clear? Now all the important files, the configurations, everything will be stored on the Nexus only. Let's see one by one what are the informations available. CD space Nexus, CD space Nexus, hit enter. Nexus. Okay, now we are into the Nexus directory. Type LL. Type LL. See this, these are the important files will be available. So the main configuration files, everything is available in the bin. So CD space bin, you can go ahead. CD space bin. Go to the bin directory. I'm audible, Gopi?
Yeah, I did the same thing.
Your screen is, I think, struck. I think so. Okay. So now can type LL. What are the information is available in the bin directory? See guys, this is a very important files will be there. Nexus.rc and Nexus.vm option is there. Okay. So we need to open the Nexus.rc. First of all, clear the screen. First of all, clear the screen. Type LL. Now we need to open the nexus.rc. So this is actually file to open. Use a Vim editor. So vim space nexus.rc. You can open like that. Vim space nexus.rc. .rc. Enter. See guys, whatever the user is logging, whichever the user is logging to the Nexus, so the user ID will be recognizing by this file only. So right now there is no username is configured in the Nexus. If you want to configure the name to log into the Nexus directory and managing going forward, you can change the name here, run underscore as user equal, there's a double quotes is there. In the double quotes we need to give the name. Like example, Nexus, Nexus admin, any name you can give that. But before you given that, there is a hashtag is there, right? So currently it's showing in the green, that we need to remove it because of it is a commenting right now. Okay. So now I'm not doing anything. So let them first, you have to explain all these things. Later I'll change the name, I'll log into the server. Okay. So press escape, colon WQ. Press escape, colon means dot. So two dots, above one and below one, there's a dot is there. You can give that WQ. Sir, listen carefully. Directly press escape.
Okay.
Okay, from your keyboard, and you can give shift the semicolon or colon button is there, right? The colon button you can press. WQ, that's it. Enter. WQ చాలు, సేవ్ అవసరం లేదు. ఓకే, రైట్. So this is the nexus.rc. There's a one more file is there, nexus.vm options. Can you please open the nexus.vm option? Enter. See guys, this is the overall the Nexus server configuration. We can do it. So like the maximum memory 27003 megabytes is provided. That's a 2 GB they provided, and maximum directory memory size they provided. Unlock diagnostics options, logs information. So logs information they provided. You can go down. Sonar type work Nexus 3 log is there. You can go ahead. The down, you can see that there is a path is there around 10 line, around 10th or 11th line is there. You can go ahead. Decarf data sonotype work nexus log. Yeah, that's one. So here in this location only the logs will be stored about the nexus configuration. Anything going forward, logs will be available here. Okay, if you want to change the memory size for maximum minimum, you can modify it. Suppose 2703 is there. Okay, 27. I want to make it as a 1 GB RAM minimum, 1 GB maximum we are going to set up. So again, go to the top and you can press insert key. In your keyboard, insert key is there. If you press I, it will come to the insert mode. Press I key, press I.
Yeah, incident.
మీరు ప్రెస్ చేయండి కీ, మీరు టర్మినల్ని ప్రెస్ చేసిన తర్వాత ప్రెస్ చేస్తే వస్తుంది. Now it is an insert mode. Okay, so first you have to select the terminal, then you can press I, it will come to the insert mode. See that the last line insert mode is there. Okay, I think మీరు టైప్ చేసేస్తున్నారు, చేయకండి, ఏం చేయకండి సార్, ఏం చేయకండి. అది మాడిపోయింది. ఇఫ్ ఇన్ కేస్ ఆఫ్ యూఆర్ మాడిఫైయింగ్ సంథింగ్, సర్వర్ విల్ గెట్ కరప్టెడ్. డోంట్ మేక్ ఎనీ చేంజెస్. So press the delete key for one time. Press delete key for one time. Not working?
Yeah, working.
డిలీట్ కీ ప్రెస్ చేస్తే పైకి రావాలి. అది ఆ పైన ఒక లైన్
వచ్చింది.
ఇచ్చేస్తారు, మీరు స్పేస్ ఇచ్చేస్తారు.
వచ్చింది కదా.
అంటే మీకు లేట్గా లోడ్ అవుతుంది స్క్రీన్ మీద. ఓకే, సో నౌ the 2703 you can change it to 1024. So XMS, XMX, so small and maximum. So you can modify the 2703 MB to 1024 MB. You can change it that.
One zero.
1024. 1024 MB means 1 GB RAM. రెండిటికి మార్చేయండి, రెండు లైన్స్ మార్చేయండి. XMS and XMX, both you can change it. Gopi, have you done?
No, no, no. I'm good. Yeah.
One minute. I think screen is not updated.
Yeah. Shall I stop and say one more time?
Better. That's good.
Okay.
Perfect. Press escape for one time. Press escape key for one time.
Yeah.
No, it is not escape. So do one thing. Press the mouse key in the terminal. Then you can press escape. మీరు మౌస్తో క్లిక్ చేసిన తర్వాత ఎస్కేప్ ప్రెస్ చేయండి. ఇట్ ఈస్ కమ్ అవుట్ ఫ్రమ్ ద ఇన్సర్ట్. ఎస్ నౌ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎస్కేప్ మోడ్. :WQ exclamatory. :WQ exclamatory. Hit enter. Now it is save the configuration. Perfect. So guys, you understand, right? So where the locks are saved and how to change the minimum and maximum memory for server. Next. So where the library files are, okay, what are the library files are located? So do one thing, type cd space dot dot, cd space dot dot, type ll, so we have a library file is there, you can see this lib. Can you please open that file? So cd space lib, and you can type ll. So here you complete the boot information and configuration of the jar file configuration information. Everything is available here. Okay. So these are the main. If these files are get corrupted, so your complete settings and configuration will get over. So type cd space dot dot. Go back to the previous screen. Now can type ll. Again cd space dot dot. One step back. ll. Good. So clear screen. Clear screen. Type ll. See guys, the Nexus, the directory will be managed by root, right? Root directory will be there. Root user is managing it. You can see that before that read, write, execution, everything permission for root and root. Am I right? The line number 2, you can see that root and root. మీ కర్సర్ చూపిస్తారా ఒకసారి గోపి ఆ రూట్ అండ్ రూట్ అనేదాన్ని. సరే సెకండ్ లైన్ది నెక్సెస్కి ముందు, నెక్సెస్కి ముందు. యా. సో ఇన్ రియల్ టైమ్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ వీఆర్ నాట్ యూజింగ్ ద రూట్ అకౌంట్ టు మేనేజింగ్ ఇట్. అది కాదండి, సెకండ్ లైన్ చూపించండి, నెక్సెస్. యా, దట్స్ వన్. So in real time environment, we are not using the root account to managing the services or any server. So what we need to do, okay? So we need to change the user ID. We need to change the user ID. So first you need to add the user ID, then we can give the permissions for that. So create a new user in Linux operating system. The command is user add. User add. Space, can give the name Nexus. Hit enter. User ID is created. We need to create a password for this. So PASSWD. PASSWD. So, and you need to enter the generating the password for this. Okay. So which user we need to change the password? Nexus, right? You can give the name. Guys, so you enter just the wrong password and Gopi. PASSWD, not WAD. PASSWW ante U mala ledatra. W అనేది సింగిల్ వర్డ్.
Okay.
D space Nexus. Enter. It will ask the new password. Better you can give the password is welcome123 W caps. Welcome123 W caps. When you're typing the password, it will not blink any cursor. Okay. You can type as it is, then hit enter. మీకు టైప్ చేసేటప్పుడు బ్లింక్ ఏం కాదు, సెక్యూరిటీ రీజన్స్ వల్ల. మీరు మామూలుగానే కీబోర్డ్ చూసి టైప్ చేసేయండి, తర్వాత ఎంటర్ కొట్టండి.
Welcome 1, 2, 3.
యా, మళ్ళీ ఎంటర్ చేసి రీ ఎంటర్ చేయమని చెప్తుంది పాస్వర్డ్. ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ ఇట్ విల్ ఆస్ ద రీ ఎంటర్ ద పాస్వర్డ్.
That password.
I think your entering is a very wrong password. I think so. Better can do one thing. Welcome @123 can try. Welcome @123 can try. Yeah, now you can type proper name. Now you can type a proper name in the new password.
Welcome.
Screen చూడదండి, కీబోర్డ్ చూసి టైప్ చేయండి.
Okay. Bad password is coming. Welcome @123 and it's getting.
బ్యాడ్ పాస్వర్డ్. మీరు టైప్ ఏదో తప్పు చేస్తున్నట్టుగా ఉంది.
No, it's all authentication tokens update successfully.
Okay, fine. So I think your password is successfully updated. So there is a standard wise you are not created. Okay, because of you giving welcome @123 is not a secured password. Okay, everywhere you are using, right? Maybe in that manner they will be. It is based on the directory word. Yes, directory word means it's a generic. Everybody know about this password. Okay, so that's the meaning. Okay, anyhow the password is updated. That's good. Then you need to modify it. So give the permission. Give the command is CHOWN. CHOWN. So change owner name. That's the name of CHOWN. N for Netherlands, not M. Chown. CH, change owner name. That's the name of CHOWN. Give space hyphen R, capital R. Space Nexus colon Nexus space Nexus. So read write permission for Nexus directory. That's the meaning here. Okay, hit enter. Now you can type LL. You can check that Nexus is changed for Nexus directory. చూపించండి గోపి, అందరికి తెలియదు యాక్చువల్గా మీకు. రైట్, యా. సో నౌ దెర్ ఇస్ అ వన్ మోర్ డైరెక్టరీ ఇస్ ద సోనా టైప్ హైఫన్ వర్క్. ఈవెన్ దట్ ఆల్సో వీ నీడ్ టు చేంజ్ ఇట్ టు నెక్సస్. సేమ్ రన్ ద కమాండ్ CHOWN or Nexus. Okay.
Should I give select here?
Nexus. This is a username. Nexus means username. After that, whatever the directory is available, you can give that name. Sona type hyphen work, you can give that.
So Nexus colon Nexus means one is user and the another is?
Read write permission is there, right? Okay. Admin and a user.
Is correct? Okay.
That's correct. Enter. Now successfully changed. You can check that LL. Now can you clear the screen? Now we can check the logs where it will be stored. Okay, now logs where it will be stored. CD space sonar type works. CD space sonar type hyphen works. Work. Enter. Sonar type, not sonot. మీరు ఐపీఆర్కి ప్రెస్ చేసి మళ్ళీ మీ ముందుగా ఏదైతే టైప్ చేసినారో ఆ స్క్రీన్ వస్తుంది, ఆ లైన్ వస్తుంది, మీరు దాన్ని మాడిఫై చేసుకోవచ్చు. ప్రతిసారి టైప్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు.
ఓకే.
Now can type LL. And there is a Nexus 3 is there. So CD space Nexus 3. You can open the directory. And LL. Log. So here is a main important, whatever the work you're doing, all type of configurations, evidence, artifacts, everything will be stored here. So now can type a CD space /log, hit enter. ఏం చేస్తారంటే CD space log / అనమండి. Now can type LL. There is no data here. So because of we didn't do any configuration, right? So that's why. So here we are stopping here. Okay. So there's many steps you did and many configurations you did. You can practice today and tomorrow class is available. Yes, tomorrow and day after tomorrow I'm going to take the class. Don't take any breaks. And next week, 2 days I'm not taking the class due to some personal work. And so you can please set up this environment and we can practice. So tomorrow we will start the Nexus and do the configuration and we'll start integrating Nexus with the Jenkins. Okay, so these are the concept we will do and we will do some project. So once it is completed, the complete work will get over. So the responsibility of Nexus, responsibility of Maven, responsibility of Jenkins, that will get over. Okay, so please delete the machine or maybe you can shut down it, Gopi. So whenever you practice again, you have to run the commands fastly and you can bring that. Otherwise the charges will be applicable because of it is a paid instance.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yeah, shall I stop or
Yeah, you can stop that. You can stop and you can terminate. So, but you have to check later the video. So whatever the steps we did, and again we can practice the next session tomorrow. Okay.
And he can be create a AMI till now. So again we can resume.
Yes, you can create a AMI. మీరు AMI create చేసేయండి, Gopi, right? So you can right click on the server. First you have to shut down the machine.
shut down?
Yeah,
I'm
shut down
stopping
the-
that?
Yeah, shut down means stopping. Refresh the
Yeah,
screen.
yeah,
Refresh the screen.
yeah. It's done.
Wait. Refresh once again.
Yeah, it's done.
Select the server. Select the server and go to actions. The right to top corner, actions. Go to image, create image, and give the name AMI hyphen Nexus hyphen AL2. AMI, not ALI, AMI, Amazon Mission Image. Scroll down. Scroll down. And create image. So go to AMIs, please. Go to AMIs on the left side under images. See, right now this image is provisioning. So scroll to right. See guys, it is a status is pending. Once it is completed, status left, go to left little bit. Yeah, right. So once it is completed, you can terminate the instance. So your AMI will be there. Okay. So next class, we can directly come here. We can create a machine next 3 minutes. Okay. Any questions? It will take some time, like a 3 to 5 minutes. It will take some time, depends on the server size. It will take some
Yeah,
time.
once it is created, then I terminate that machine. Huh?
Yeah, once it is completed, you can terminate the machine. Okay. Thank you all. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.